Most men think attraction is about what you say. The truth is, attraction is about what she feels when she's around you. And psychology proves this again and again. Today I'm going to share 5 dark psychology principles that trigger emotional attachment, not by manipulation, but by understanding how the human mind actually bonds. If you use these correctly, she won't feel pressured. She'll feel drawn. The first principle is emotional contrast. People don't remember constant happiness. They remember change. If you're always available, always nice, always predictable, her emotions stay flat. No spikes, no depth. But when you create contrast, calm moments mixed with distance, warmth mixed with independence, emotions become stronger. This doesn't mean being rude. It means having your own life. Sometimes you're present. Sometimes you're focused elsewhere. That contrast makes her feel more when she's with you. The second principle is perceived value. Psychology is clear on this. People want what feels valuable, not what feels easy. If you give unlimited attention, unlimited validation, unlimited availability, your value drops, not because you're bad, but because the brain associates scarcity with worth. High-value men don't chase attention. They attract it. They speak calmly. They don't over-explain. They don't rush to impress. And that makes people lean in emotionally. The third principle is mirrored emotion. People fall in love with people who reflect how they want to feel about themselves. If she feels confident around you, she connects you with confidence. If she feels calm around you, she connects you with peace. If she feels powerful around you, she connects you with attraction. This means you don't try to dominate emotions. You amplify the good ones. You listen. You react emotionally, not logically. You match her energy without copying her words. Her brain starts associating you with emotional safety and excitement at the same time, a powerful combination. The fourth principle is uncertainty. The human brain becomes attached when it's slightly unsure, not confused, not anxious, just curious. If she knows everything about you instantly, attraction peaks fast and dies fast. But when you reveal yourself slowly, your thoughts, your goals, your depth, her mind stays engaged. She thinks about you when you're not there. That's not manipulation. That's pacing. Strong bonds are built layer by layer, not all at once. The fifth principle is self-control. This is the darkest and strongest one. Nothing is more attractive than a man who can walk away from what disrespects him. When you don't beg, when you don't argue for attention, when you don't collapse emotionally, her subconscious reads that as strength. And strength creates trust. Trust creates attraction. Attraction creates emotional attachment. This is why confident silence is more powerful than desperate words. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. You don't make someone fall in love by chasing them. You make someone fall in love by being grounded, calm, and centered in yourself. Dark psychology doesn't mean manipulation. It means understanding how emotions bond and respecting them. If she feels safe, curious, respected, and emotionally alive around you, attachment happens naturally. And if it doesn't, you still win, because you didn't lose yourself trying. If this video made sense to you, subscribe. No games, no lies, just real psychology and real growth.